What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Sneaker Huddle. In today's video, this is one that once again Nike has been on a roll lately in terms of innovation, coming out with more comfortable sneakers, which is something that a lot of people had said that they had kind of lacked in years past. Now, with the new CEO here at Nike, we have got tons and tons of new innovative designs, and next up for the brand is, of course, the highly anticipated Nike Vomero 18. Now, before we get into this box, let's talk first about what's a little different on this model. First up, a new engineered mesh upper. Second, we get a doubled stack midsole, which we'll talk more about that once we get these out of the box. Third, a plush padding. And last but not least, they're made to last with a durable outsole. So the box is nothing too special, just regular orange Nike box, and as you can tell there, Nike Vomero 18. Now, first up, from a color perspective, I really like this colorway a lot. I love how you kind of get that milky cell midsole there with the Zoom X branding. It's just enough, but not too much branding. I think that they got this one right on the design with the Nike swoosh there in the middle. We talked about the double stacked midsole, and you can tell perfectly here with the seam that the top on this new Vomero 18 is Zoom X and the bottom is React X. If you fell into the category of thinking that Zoom X was a little too soft and a little too squishy, then you're really gonna love these sneakers, because the Zoom X, as you can tell, is the top layer like we just talked about. But as I rotate that top layer, if you pay close attention, you can tell that the Zoom X portion is just a little bit of the actual midsole, while the bulk of it is, of course, the React X. But this top layer here is, of course, the Zoom X, and then the bottom here is the React. Now, first off, when it comes to sizing, these do fit true to size. Now, we just compared this sneaker to the Nike Pegasus Premium, and if you are interested in that video, which is a very good sneaker by Nike, be sure to check it out there after this video, and I'll also leave it at the end card. Now, how this sneaker feels compared to the Invincibles, and if you did by chance try the Invincibles and you were one of those people out there that just thought that they were a little too soft, a little too squishy, then the good news is that the Vomero 18, this is going to be a really good option for you because it is a bit firmer. By no means is this a uncomfortable sneaker. This shoe is very comfortable. But the fact that we have this thin portion of Zoom X and React X, whereas on the Invincibles, they were pretty much the entire thing was Zoom X, that is why the Invincible was much softer. And if you're a runner and you're running and the wear and tear on your pair of sneakers, this is definitely going to hold up much better than the Invincibles. Hence why Nike most likely put the React X on the bottom. And of course, like we did mention in the card, they do have a new outsole that's built for wear and tear to last longer. Now, I am a big fan of this new Vomero 18, especially this colorway goes super clean with joggers. Specifically here, I paired them with a black pair that I think look really nice. Also, a light heather gray would go sick with this colorway. And I have been a huge fan of Zoom X ever since it was created. It's one of my favorite materials, and the fact that this sneaker does have a bit of Zoom X in it does make it very comfortable. So yeah, needless to say, I think Nike once again hit the nail on the head with this new innovative design. But let us know your thoughts on the Nike Vomero 18, and if you would like to check out that Pegasus Premium video, I will link it right there so you can kind of compare them. And if you enjoyed this, be sure to hit that subscribe button by hitting the Sneaker Huddle logo. God bless each and every one of you, and have a great day.